Hi, today we're going to be talking about the reproductive systems. So as you can see here, I've drawn out the male sex organs. So to start off with, we have our seminal vesicles. These run into the prostate. The prostate's then connected to the testes by these tubes, and these tubes are called the vas deferens. The sac that holds the testes is called the scrotum, and the other portion that comes out of the prostate is the urethra, which then runs out of the body and goes through the tubular extension of the body called the penis. Now over here we have our female. To start off with, we have our fallopian tubes, we have our ovaries, we have our cervix, and we have our vagina. Very simple, very straightforward. This is where the eggs are stored, and this is where these two mate together to create human life. So as you can see here, I added the different hormones that take effect on this male reproductive system. So our three different hormones for the male reproductive system are the gonadotropin release hormone, the follicle stimulating hormone, and the luteinizing hormone. Now, the gonadotropin release hormone causes these two hormones to be released into the system. Now, what the follicle stimulating hormone does is it is sperm production, and then we have our luteinizing hormone, which does testosterone production. And there's a negative feedback loop within this system that is directly caused by these two and the release of this one. So the higher the testosterone level, it inhibits the release of these two hormones, but lower testosterone levels, it increases these due to the fact that the luteinizing hormone produces testosterone. So it keeps our testosterone levels our testosterone hormone at a certain level, and that's how we regulate our system. Now over here for females, we have estradiol, progesterone, we have the follicle stimulating hormone again, we have the luteinizing hormone again, we have actual testosterone, we have our gonadotropin release hormone again, and we have oxytocin and estrogen. Now estradiol is located here in the ovaries, and it takes the job of helping to mature the eggs. Progesterone prepares the body for pregnancy, and this kicks in causing the period. It thickens the linings of the uterine walls so that it'll be willing to accept eggs, and cuts down on the contractions of the uterus so that the body can't expel the egg. Now we have the follicle stimulating hormone, which in the woman's uterus manages the menstrual cycle and also manages the egg production. Then we have the luteinizing hormone. The luteinizing hormone maintains and repairs reproductive tissues. So if anything's damaged or anything like that, this hormone will kick in and then repair those items within the system. We have testosterone, which also does... Oh, my bad. Testosterone maintains and repairs. The menstrual cycle is taken care of by the luteinizing hormone. Then our GRH, or the gonadotropin release hormone, it stimulates the estrogen and progesterone production in the uterus. Then we have our oxytocin, which actually causes the uterine contractions in labor and childbirth. And then we have estrogen, which is just what helps develop this entire system, as well as female characteristics on the outside of the body.